Hello, you're watching the YouTube channel of the Nissan EV Owners Group. I'm Paul Eden. Welcome everyone. Have you ever wondered where the EV-BOY CCS2-CHAdeMO adapters are made? I did, and we were lucky to be invited by the manufacturers Longood to see their facility in Dongguan near Shenzhen. Boris.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, my friend. How are you?
Yeah. Thank you.
This is brilliant. Show us around, please.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Welcome to our factory.
I've been looking forward to this for a long time.
Assembly line. So you know, for the PCBA, so we need to put the part on the PCB. So this the first step is to put the solid paste. Pick and place the material. Pick and place. So here is the solid flow chart, like the high temperature, to make the solid paste fluid. So here is the checking. You check the material is collected now. You see.转接头没有摆出来了吗？啊？要不要他要摆一个
The warehouse. Before said you had a longer adapter for your Nissan LEAF.
Yes, I've got one of these. Yes, one of the EV-BOY ones, and it's great to see these wonderful people of yours assembling them. It's brilliant.
Wow.
Yeah, really good.
So how do you feel like today's factory tour to see how your
She's-
product is made?
I mean, as you know, we've had quite an intense day, but this is really cool to see them here. They're going to be charged, aren't they? Yeah, to see them here is great fun. Yeah, you know, maybe 5 years ago, members of my Facebook group said, you know, can we ever charge our Leaf with a CCS2? And we all said no, because it can't be done. And then all of a sudden, you guys have made this. Yeah. But you see, it's important for a number of reasons. Firstly, because it extends the life. The Leaf is a very strong car. It's long. Mine's 9 years old, and as CHAdeMO becomes less common, then you know, these things extend the life. Extend the life. Here, have one. Look at this. Here we go. There's the EV-BOY stuff. Isn't that cool? Yep, I've got one just like this at home.
And
Yeah. So this is the EV. This is the EV-BOY assembled here in China. Great fun. Love these things. These are extending the life of Leaf and extending the life of CHAdeMO cars. So they're really important. But also, there's a cost thing to talk about, because if you have one of these and you go to a Tesla charger in the UK, the cost is about half. So yes, exactly. Tesla chargers are much cheaper than normal CHAdeMO chargers, normal rapid chargers, and so
two advantages.
at least two.
At least two advantage. One is for the extend its length,
Yes.
and the second one is
Cost.
save the cost
Yeah.
for charging.
Yeah, one of our guys who Conrad knows, one of our guys who bought this, he says that it's already paid for itself because he saved so much money using Tesla chargers instead of normal CHAdeMO chargers, that this is already paid for itself.
So that's good news.
It's
for
excellent news.
CHAdeMO.
It's excellent news for CHAdeMO and for Conrad and the rest of us. Yeah. Great fun, Boris. So tell me, how do you see the future of this sort of operation? You've got there's lots more to sell, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're going to be selling these for a few years yet.
Yeah. A few years. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, you know, for the CCS2-CHAdeMO,
Yeah.
I'm the first manufacturer to make this.
Yes.
Yes. First
yeah.
one
Yeah.
in the world.
Yes, I know. I've got one.
Thank you. Welcome to have a look.
Well, thank you for your time and your lovely daughter for showing us around. We've done lots of stuff today. This is it. It's actually about 6 o'clock in the evening, but
Thank you,
everybody's still working very well.
Thank you.
Boris, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Lovely chat. Well done.
Welcome.